Hey, welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about live server. What is a live server? Let's talk about that. Super quick, let's start the time right now. Alright, so now we have index.html. So this is the regular file that we use on a day-to-day basis. Let's load it up in Google Chrome. So what I want to show you is every single time we make a change to it, for example, I have a HTML structure. I have a heading that says this is a heading, save, go back. We have to refresh to see the changes. And if I add a couple of more headings and if I go back, I have to keep on refreshing it just in case, I do not miss any changes. All right. So instead what we can do is on the left, we have this small option called as extensions. Go to that, click, search for live server. All right. There's a first link that is by Ritvik Day. Install that live server. And once you have installed, you're going to get this nifty feature. When you right click on your index.html, it's going to give you something called as open with live server. All right. If you click on it, another Google Chrome tab is going to open and you're going to have the same exact output. But now the difference is when I add something else, save and go back, it automatically shows up without me ever having to refresh it. As we kind of make a lot more changes to the website, this is going to be something that is going to be very, very helpful. So I hope you have this installed. We're going to be using this for the next every single video that we go forward. So have this installed and keep it in your system. So once again, extensions, live server, Ritvik Day, go right click and open with live server. Perfect.